So check it out, I got this new Pathfinder LED light here. It's super bright. It's got two, a dim and a bright mode. And then you can hold it for roadside safety and it'll turn red, and the next step is the flasher. Cool thing about this is it's magnetic, so you can stick it onto something while you're working on your bike or checking it out. It's also got a hook for you to hang it. The other cool thing is every time you leave a light in your saddlebag, it goes dead. But this one has a USB port charger. So if you do get stuck on the side of the road and your flashlight's dead, you could always plug it in and still use it. These things are $18.95. You can't go wrong. I think this thing's like another $12 too. So that's some cool stuff for you to have on your bike.